In this video, you are going to see the unboxing, setup and first initial impressions of the Realme Buds Air 7 Pro. This is how the package looks and it feels premium in hand. On the sides of this box, they have mentioned some of the specifications of these buds. It comes with features like IP55 dust and water resistance, dual device connection, 2.0, noise cancellation, AI features and more. I'm going to make a dedicated video on the application as well, where you can change some more settings of these TWS earphones further. So if you don't want to miss that video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it. On the top of the box, they have mentioned the MRP as 7,999 rupees. But during the offers time, you can get it for an even lower price. I have already added the link in the description box as well as in the comment section for you to check the latest pricing at the time of watching this video. The box feels premium, but the unboxing experience is a little mixed. The inside box is not coming out freely, we need to pull it out with some pressure. Anyway, this is a different thing for different people. Inside the box, first we get the TWS earphones, below that we get another small box. Inside that, we get the quick instruction manual followed by some extra ear tips. There is no cable provided in the box. Even I checked the backside of the box and they didn't mention any cable that we get inside it. In total, we get 3 ear tips. The sizes are like this: one medium, one large and one small. After removing the plastic wrapper from the case, this is how it looks in hand. It feels very premium and the branding is only there on the top side, and on the back they have mentioned high-res audio. Below that, the Type-C slot is there for charging. Overall, the case looks very premium and clean without too much advertising, which I personally like. Even the case opening and closing mechanism feels very good. The buds are also looking premium and I'm personally feeling that they look like Apple AirPods in black color. Unlike all other TWS earphones, these also support features like double tap, triple tap, etc. The connection process is also very easy. You will get a button inside the case. Press that to enter pairing mode. Then open Bluetooth on your mobile phone and it will show up and pair automatically. First impressions about the music quality, it is very good. I actually turned on ANC and it's working very well. They have mentioned a lot of things about these TWS earphones in the user manual. Also, if you remove one bud, the music is going to pause automatically. Still, there are so many features left and I'll cover all of those in the dedicated app interface video. My first initial impressions are very good and it feels very premium for the price that I paid. We even get AI voice translation, which I'll be covering more in the upcoming videos. That's the video, guys. I hope these are going to be my primary buds for some time. Let's see how they survive in the long run. Thanks for watching till now and I'll see you again in the next video.